Welcome to another help video from Stairplan. On this one, this is stage 2 of your straight staircase installation, so now we're going to install the balustrade. Stairs are in place, newels are on, we're ready to go. So the first thing is the base rail. The base rail really needs to be screwed and glued to the top of the stair string. It'll come pre-cut ready, and I'd recommend fixing the base rail every 500mm. Next is the handrail. So the handrail will generally come with the Stairplan fixings already screwed on. Stairplan is our recommended fixing for handrail to newel connections. This is standard on the Craftsman's range and most of the premium ranges we do, but you would need to upgrade to that on a trade range staircase. Having 3 screws and a threaded bolt connection, it's a very robust and easy fixing. The newel posts are pre-drilled ready for these fixings, so it's simply a case of positioning the handrail like so. On only very short sections would you have difficulty putting it between the newel posts. So once it's in place, glued to the newel, you can bolt it in place and use the flush pellet to close off the connection. So base rail and handrail all in place now. Now the spindles all come pre-cut, but the spaces that you see there in the purpley pink colour, those are oversized for you to cut. The easiest way is to position all of your spindles into the groove tight at the bottom of the rake balustrade first, and measure the space you have left. Divide that space up by the number of spaces, and now you've got the length for the spaces to be cut to. The legal requirement is that the balusters are positioned so that you can't pass a 100mm sphere through at any point. So if you have a decorative baluster, i.e. a spindle, then you need to set it out so that you know the narrowest point. When you check your production drawings, we've already worked out the right number of spindles needed to make sure that the gap is legal. When you're fixing the spindles in place, you can work from the top down or the bottom up, either way. You'll need to glue and pin the spacers into the handrail and the base rail. Around every 4th spindle should ideally be also pinned into the base rail and the handrail to prevent any risk of the handrail rising. This is important on long runs. When you get to the end of the run of spindles, it's likely that you'll need to trim the last spacers in, because the calculation will be to 0.1 mm. So it's always a case to leave those too long, trim them last, and then they can be cut to suit. It's always recommended that staircases and balustrades are installed by experienced carpenters and joiners. Having the right tool set is important to make this process as quick and smooth as possible. Feel free, when ordering, to have the details of our approved installers. They will be happy to give you a price for the installation of the staircase and the balustrades. At Stairplan we only install certain models, but we have a team of approved installers who can help with these simple staircases. Give us a call 01952 608 853 or visit the website stairplan.com.